Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake. In order to replace the diesel filter, it is first necessary to lift the front of your vehicle and take off the front right-hand wheel. This will give you access to the diesel fuel filter. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You now have to take off the front right mudguard to access the diesel fuel filter. Pull back on the holding hooks of the mudguard using pliers. You can now take off the mudguard. You can now see the diesel filter. With a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 screws from the metal protective plate on the filter. You can now see the diesel filter. Take a liquid collector for the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Then, disconnect each hose. Push down with a flathead screwdriver on the coloured part of the connector. Then, at the same time, pull on the hose. Unclip the filter by pushing upwards in order to free it from its housing. Still using a flathead screwdriver, remove the electric connector. You can then unscrew the draining screw on the filter to remove the oil present in the filter box. Certain vehicles are equipped with a water pressure sensor. If it is the case for your vehicle, hold it in place while turning the filter anti-clockwise, not the sensor. This will ensure that you don't damage the wiring.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
We recommend putting the new Perflux filter in place, which replaces the complete original filter. This helps avoid those tedious manipulations involved in opening the original filter and replacing the cartridge. The added advantage is this reduces the risk of particles entering the filter, which could damage the fuel injection system on your vehicle. Take the new filter and collect the toric seal at the draining screw. With a flathead screwdriver, replace the seal on the punch screw, remembering to oil it beforehand. If your vehicle is equipped with a water pressure sensor, do the same operation on it. Then, correctly screw the drain screw back in. Reconnect the electric connector. Reclip the new filter into its housing. Reconnect the new filter hose by hose. Put the metal protection plate back on the filter and screw the 3 screws back in. You can now put the mudguard back on. You can then put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground, not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Turn the key 3 times to fill the filter by means of the diesel pump. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.